Once upon a time, in the quiet town of Willowville, something unusual happened on the edge of the woods. A strange green glow lit up the night sky, and from the soft earth rose Zack, the world's friendliest zombie. Zack wasn't like the zombies in scary movies. He didn't groan nor chase people. He liked jelly beans, soft music, and gardening. He wore a straw hat and smelled like peppermint. The only thing Zack wanted was a friend. But the townspeople didn't know that. When they saw Zack walking into town with his crooked smile and wobbly walk, they screamed and ran away. "All I said was hello," Zack muttered, confused. Zack decided to try making friends with the animals instead. He helped a family of squirrels gather nuts, picked berries for a shy raccoon, and even taught a baby owl how to hoot in rhythm. But he still felt lonely. One day, a girl named Lucy, who was curious and brave, saw Zack helping an injured bunny. She didn't scream or run. Instead, she said, "Hi there. Are you a zombie?" Zack tipped his straw hat. "Yes, ma'am. Name's Zack. I come in peace. And maybe snacks." Lucy giggled. She sat beside him and listened to his story. She learned he had once been a gardener who loved sunflowers and laughter. Then one day, a magical potion in his garden spilled, and poof, he became a zombie. But his heart was still kind and full of hope. Lucy had an idea. "We'll show everyone you're not scary," she said. So they made a plan. Lucy invited the townspeople to a garden party, and Zack promised to bring the biggest sunflowers they'd ever seen. On the day of the party, Zack arrived with baskets of flowers, vegetables, and jelly bean cupcakes. He danced a funny little jig, played his harmonica, and gave out free hugs, but only if people were cool with that. At first, the townspeople hid behind trees and fences. But slowly, one by one, they came out. They laughed at Zack's jokes, loved his cupcakes, and joined him in planting flowers all around the park. By sunset, everyone in Willowville had a new opinion about zombies, at least the friendly kind. Zack became a local hero. He opened Zack's peaceful garden, where kids and animals could visit anytime. And he never felt lonely again. As for Lucy and Zack, they stayed best friends forever. And every time someone said zombies were scary, Lucy would smile and say, "You've never met Zack."